From her origins first as a low-pressure area to a tropical depression, then turning to a tropical storm, and finally a full-fledged hurricane or typhoon, packing 55 miles per hour winds, Tropical Cyclone Crising is heading right smack into the country. With a velocity of 30 kph and expected to make landfall tomorrow night with even stronger winds. Rod Lagusa gets us up to speed with this typhoon that'll touch off more precipitation from a triggered southwesterly monsoon winds or habagat, and widespread flooding in its wake over the weekend.
Tropical Depression Crising has maintained its strength while remaining over the waters east of Aurora Province. Pag-asa is monitoring a possible landfall scenario in mainland Cagayan tomorrow night. After this, it is expected to move westward and pass through the northern portion of northern Luzon before exiting the Philippine Area of Responsibility or PAR by Saturday afternoon. Based on Pag-asa's 5 p.m. weather bulletin, Tropical Depression Crising was last located 545 kilometers east of Baler, Aurora. It has maximum sustained winds of 55 kilometers per hour and gustiness of up to 70 kilometers per hour, moving west-northwest at a speed of 30 kilometers per hour. Tropical Cyclone Wind Signal number 1 has now been raised in the following provinces: Batanes, Cagayan including Babuyan Islands, Isabela, Quirino, northern portion of Nueva Vizcaya, northern portion of Aurora, Abra, Apayao, Kalinga, Mountain Province, Ifugao, northern portion of Benguet, Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, northern portion of La Union, Polillo Islands, Camarines Norte, northern portion of Camarines Sur, Catanduanes.
Posible ring magtaas pa yung mga wind signal sa mga susunod na tropical cyclone bulletin, at ang tinataya nating pinakamataas ay posibleng umabot po ng signal number 3, lalong-lalo sa mga lalawigan dito sa may bandang northern Luzon area.
According to Pag-asa, the tropical depression is expected to intensify into a tropical storm tonight or early tomorrow morning. It will continue to strengthen and could reach severe tropical storm category by Saturday morning or afternoon. From there, Pag-asa does not rule out the possibility that it may intensify further while still over the Philippine Sea and could become a severe tropical storm even before making landfall. Due to the tropical cyclone, it is enhancing the southwest monsoon or habagat, which will bring rains to various parts of the country. Cagayan, Isabela, and Catanduanes are expected to receive more than 200 millimeters of rainfall from today until tomorrow afternoon. Rainfall between 100 to 200 millimeters is also expected in Apayao, Kalinga, Quirino, Aurora, Quezon, Camarines Norte, and Camarines Sur. Meanwhile, between 50 to 100 millimeters of rainfall is possible in Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, La Union, Pangasinan, Abra, Mountain Province, Ifugao, Albay, Sorsogon, Masbate, Northern Samar, Eastern Samar, Samar, and Biliran.
Antabayanan din po ng mga kababayan natin yung mga ganitong localized warning, no? Dahil hindi po tayo sakop ng tropical cyclone bulletin, malayo po tayo sa bagyo, subalit sakop naman tayo ng epekto ng habagat. Kaya in the absence of any warning signal, dito sa mga lugar na napakalayo sa bagyo, meron po tayong localized rainfall advisory.
The next tropical cyclone bulletin will be issued by Pag-asa at 11 p.m. tonight. Rod Lagusad from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.